don't tell why I use any of my weapons on top una as a team for disciplinary purpose. Make we leave Champions League aside first. It be like say una don't forget the sweet sensation bullet they get when you massage your brain. How many of una still remember? Good. Saka, you fit tell some of the new boys describe them.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
The therapy session they give us near-death experience. Our life go flash plenty times for our eyes.
What?
And now for hospital we dey always wake up.
Good. Very good. Everybody clap for them. You're a very brilliant boy.
Thank you, sir.
Una don't check our position for EPL table. No be una dey ask.
Yes, sir.
Good. Make we leave Champions League for now. If una no want make I resume weekly headshot, then una go start to dey correct una direction for table. Starting from Sunday for Stamford Bridge. If una no carry 3 points come back from that bridge, just koko dey jump from the bridge enter water. Because wetin una go face go worse pass to drown. Una wan make all the years when I spend as a coach for this club look like joke. See Arne Slot wey just come beginning of season. Him don already dey top table. Person wey get slot for him name suppose dey slow to adapt. And yet, na draw una manage to collect for him hand. At least Bournemouth do us good thing. Give 3 points from that demon wey dem dey call Guardiola. Hello? Sorry. Call back another time. I dey talk with my boys.
After una contact Newcastle disease, hope say you know they try abuse those boys with the military-grade weapons.
E concern you?
Yes, sir. My godson Georgine Hode there.
Better call am for your phone and tell am say e better say him jump enter water from Stamford Bridge than to come back without 3 points on Sunday.
Why? Not be your responsibility be that.
Yes na my responsibility. Na why I dey tell them the alternative of coming back without 3 points.
How you want take collect 3 points from Maleska boys when you don't turn your team to Molinho team but without losses?
What do you mean by that statement?
So without set pace, una no fit score normal goal.
Who talk that one?
Them no dey use defense and set pace carry title or.
See sorry, no vex me or.
I fit tell you anything from the comfort of my house. At least your bullet no fit reach me.
E be like say you never hear say them dey send intercontinental ballistic missile come person house abi?
You get that kind weapon? I think say na only for World War them they use that kind weapon.
Maybe na for your house I go test am. Then you go see how World War go happen inside your house.
Now wow. So this kind weapon dey una arsenal. Na him una never win league.
You still dey talk abi?
No, sorry. I think say I don't cut score safe.
Come place bet for your favorite teams wey dey Premier League for inside 1xBet. The name of this promo na English Football Time. If you wan follow this promo, first of all, make sure say you don register with our promo code GNEXT to take get up to 300% bonus. Then go for the upper page, press take part. Place bets on top Premier League matches with nothing less than 8,200. You go dey entitled to 15% cashback inside your total stake as free bet every week. As your total stake dey big, na so your free bet amount dey big. No forget to read all the rules and regulations and remember to dey bet with sense. Good luck.
Koche no dey play me for my right position. If I talk, he go threaten me with gun.
Which one be your own self? Before, you dey complain say them no dey start you. Now na say them no dey play you for your right position.
You no go mind your business, abi?
My business na your business. Na all of us go chop the same headshot if Kochi start.
No be me and you.
Dey there dey whine yourself. As far as say no be you dey carry this team for pitch, me and you dey the same level.
Go carry Ghana qualify for AFCON first before you go fit come drag level with me.
No ever for your life talk about me and Ghana for my front again.
Wetin you go do?
Hey! Make una stop this nonsense. We get those blue noisemakers to play on Sunday. Normally we suppose knack them because na ordinary Yahoo boys and Aburo boys dey there. But because say we no win our last 3 EPL games and we come dey the same points, them go think say them get chance. But we need to remind them say na we be the landlord of the whole London and they got to pay us their 3 points rent.
Wait, na Palmer and Co you dey call Yahoo boys and Aburo boys?
I know say Palmer dey distort sometimes. In fact, I even hear say he fit get links with Madrid for January transfer window. But the guy dey lost for big games.
Palmer dey very good though, but him never reach Real Madrid level.
Who can Real Madrid for here? Him no even reach Atletico Madrid standard.
Then which Madrid you come dey talk?
Na Getafe?
Yes na.
Na wow, na your country guy be that far.
Na why him barely play Euros now. Him still dey try prove himself. I don't know why people dey fear am anyhow. Talk for yourself oh. No be you go dey post dey try block all him shot. Him shot no go reach you sef. Party go even handle am before he reach her 18.
Baba talk for yourself oh. I no know the kind package that guy go carry come on Sunday oh.
Make una no dey fall my hand now.
Wait, Sterling, wetin you dey think like this since?
Abeg, if coaches start dey shoot, people wey dey bench wey no play the match go follow chop bullet. Sometimes, e depend on the guy mood. So the rumors wey I hear na true. I don enter one church for dis house now wey I enter oh. Hey.